Hello students, welcome once again to our channel Score High to Soar High. In this video series, we have been uploading the derivations related to class 12 physics, lesson 1 electrostatics. In this video, we are going to see the 15th derivation of this lesson. Come on, let us move on to the derivation. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Expression for equivalent capacitance when the capacitors are in series. Now let us have a close look at this diagram. Here comes the diagram. There are three capacitors which are connected in series, and in turn they are connected to a cell. In this series connection, the voltages are different in each and every one of these capacitors. So here it is V1 and here it is V2 and here it is V3. When the capacitors are in series, their capacitances are different, voltages are different, but charges remain the same. When the capacitors are in series connection, we need to keep these three things in mind. Number one, capacitances are different. Each and every capacitor has got different capacitance. Similarly, the voltages in each and every capacitor is different. But charges in all the capacitors remain the same. Next, this is the general expression for capacitance, that is C is equal to Q by V. Therefore, V is equal to Q by C. Here, I am going to write the expressions for equivalent voltage and separate voltages. So, Vs, here S stands for series. Vs is equal to Q by Cs. Q remains the same, so I have written Q. Here V1 is equal to Q by C1, V2 is equal to Q by C2, V3 is equal to Q by C3. In all these cases, Q remains the same, but V and C, that is voltage and capacitance, are different. In the next step, I am going to write an expression for voltage, the total voltage in this series connection, that is Vs is equal to the sum of the voltages in each individual capacitor. So Vs is equal to V1 plus V2 by plus V3. Now for all these terms we have already got some expressions, that is Vs is equal to Q by Cs. Similarly we have expressions for V1, V2 and V3. Now we are going to substitute the expressions for Vs, V1, V2 and V3. So we have got Q by Cs is equal to Q by C1 plus Q by C2 plus Q by C3. Here in all these three terms Q is common, so it is taken out. So Q by Cs is equal to Q into 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Here this Q and Q get cancelled. So what is left? 1 by Cs is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. This is the final expression for this derivation. Here what is Cs? Equivalent capacitance. But what is 1 by Cs? The inverse of the equivalent capacitance. This is equal to the sum of inverses of each capacitance. That is, C1 is the capacitance of the first capacitor and C2 is the capacitance of the second one. Like that, C3 is the capacitance of the third one. First we have taken the inverses of these three capacitances and we have summed up. So it is written as the inverse of the equivalent capacitance is equal to the sum of the inverses of each capacitance. So with this equation This derivation has come to an end. Let us meet in the next video with another derivation.
Like, share and comment and subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more videos. Thank you.